had mentioned that he loved the My Computer Career room downstairs, his office. So I figured, well, now's a good time to maybe bring them back down there. Our friends at My Computer Career, who you've studied with, right? Jen designed the room, and they had their people fly in and did all the work. They did an amazing job, right? Built the furniture, computer equipment, everything is done just so you can have your own space, your own office, your own man cave slash technology space. So they usually do a really, really good job, but I'm noticing something here. There's a nail, right? And there's nothing there. I said, wait a minute, here we go. Pulled out the diploma, and boy, was he, you could just feel the sense of accomplishment, the sense of relief. He grabbed that out of my hands and hung it right on the wall.
This is fantastic. This goes right here?
Yeah. Look at that. Awesome. Awesome, guys.